Alright, hello. Thank you for taking your time and watching this presentation. I'm Luke, and today I'm going to talk about random idiots, a neural network ensemble. I actually have a more entertaining version, so I strongly advise you to check out that. But this one is a little bit boring and much shorter. All right, let's get started. So for this presentation, I'm going to walk through this algorithm and show the results and discuss how well it actually works. So ideally, I would explain what ensembles and random forests are, and you can definitely check them out on Wikipedia. So I'm not going to extensively explain what are they. So we all know this decision tree. It's like this one tree here that has a lot of branch, and we're trying to use as much features as we can to build a really good classifier. And for random forest, we're trying to just build some really simple trees and build hundreds and thousands of them, and then we combine their results, and it actually works really well. So inspired by random forest, I'm thinking about changing the decision tree as a base learner for random forest to neural network. So instead of we have this really well-trained neural network here, we're trying to find the bunch of shallowly trained neural network as our base learner. So for the implementation, I'm just trying to train like 50 or 100 shallowly trained neural network with different number of hidden layers and different numbers of hidden nodes, and we train them with like one epoch and with only parts of the training data. And then for the combination, and I used a bunch of different methods like the majority vote linear regression, like random forest and LDA. The results, I don't have really enough time to show all the plots here, but overall it doesn't work really well. It doesn't work at what we expected. Okay, so here we can actually see that the random forest combination neural network is actually outperforming the maximum accuracy for the idiots here. But if we just trying to train more, it never gets to that level of a random forest classifier or just a regular well-trained neural network. So it doesn't work how we want it. So here's a visualization explaining why it doesn't work, but I don't really have times here to explain how that works. So definitely check out my other video. It actually will explain how that works. So this really make me think about the nature of the neural networks. So it seems like no matter how I create the neural network models, no matter how I change the hidden layers and the numbers of layers, and even the initial weight distribution, it doesn't seem to make the model different. Okay, so it seems like the neural networks always converge to this one classifiers. So, and one key point for the backing algorithms for ensembles is that the base learners has to be very different. There has to be biased, and it's definitely not the case for neural network. And I failed to realize that when I started this project. So then, what else we can do if we really want to build a neural network ensemble? One thing I can think it will work is boosting, but it's really defeating my purpose of trying to build an ensemble here, because I want to parallelize the computation and trying to build neural networks really fast and performs really well, and boosting can't really do that. So another way is we can add feature sampling and use neural network as a combination method, and we call them random vision impaired idiots. Why not? But turns out they are just CNNs. Okay, and yeah, it's so frustrating. I feel like I just discovered how they invented CNN. But so it's another reason just why CNN works really well, because it just works like random forest. All right, thank you again for taking your time watching this, and Hope you all have a great holiday. Thank you.